That will be a third video for the day. Uh, I was going to show you beautiful views, guys. Here from boats. Yeah, but it's quite dark. So I'm building my own startup. We're creating websites by using AI, but the most important thing is that we're creating it to bring clients from ChatGPT, Gemini, and such systems. And I'm currently living on a boat here in Lisbon, in Portugal, because I'm trying to integrate into Lisbon ecosystem, like Startup Portugal's Unicorn Factory and so on. Let me show you how it works. So, well, yesterday we had storm, 2 days ago actually, and all the boat was with water. I mean this part. So I decided to clean up, and also there was a mold, and I was fighting with mold also. That's why it's not funny. So here is my working space, laptop, that's all I need, and a glass of wine just for the evening. A suit for events. For example, I was in a S9 summit, even political people were there, so it's also important. It's a kitchen. So that's it. Not less, not more. And if you are interested in how the life of the IT startups is going, I highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel, because I'm showing the real life and the real problems what I'm facing to launch a huge company.